Today we're going to be tightening up the steering on a '08 Chevy Silverado. Be the same as like a Tahoe, Escalade, Avalanche, all those similar vehicles. But anyway, there's two set screws in here that you can tighten up if your steering wheel is loose from the shaft. See how much play is in here? If you go down here, and let's see if I can get this in the camera. You can see that with all that play up there, that's how little that moves down here. So we're gonna go ahead and split this apart, and I'll show you what set screws to tighten up. Pretty easy. You don't need to take, I think it was the bottom all the way off. I haven't done it on this truck yet, but it definitely needs it. But pretty easy. Start by right here around the key. You can get a screwdriver in there and start splitting that apart right there. So I just started popping that apart. I wedged that screwdriver in here, pop that open, and then up here, if you can somehow push this back, you'll loosen these clips, and this will pop open. With the steering wheel all the way down, should be able to get the top cover off. Alright, with the top cover off, looks like you do not need to take the bottom cover off. You can get to them. You'll have to have your key in to spin your wheel, but take a Torx, what is it, 25 I think? Yeah, 25, and just kind of snug it up. It is tightening against plastic, so you don't want to go too crazy. But I'm going to spin it around and get the other one. That's it. Pretty easy. This isn't going to fix any play in your front end, just the play in your steering column. But pretty easy fix. Thanks for watching.